Hey guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, it's super nice to meet you. You guys should definitely subscribe down below. So today is my first day of school, junior year. If you guys watched my school vlog, I did one a few months ago in my sophomore year. But if you guys watched that, you would know I'm in this thing called dual enrollment. So my schedule's a little different from most people's schedule. Currently, it's like 11 o'clock in the morning and I don't have to be at school until almost 1. I'm gonna leave my house at about 12:30 or so, but basically my college classes don't start until August 27th, and so until then I just have high school classes, and I only have 2 classes at my high school. They're both electives and it's just my 6th and 7th period, so I don't have to wake up early and I don't have to go to a bunch of classes. I've been up now for kind of a while. I had to go get blood work this morning, and I'm gonna get ready soon and like do my makeup, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, tell you how my first day goes. I'm not doing much, but I thought I would still take you guys along with me. My skin has been so bad lately. Like, I am breaking out so bad. Please excuse that. It's the stress of like knowing that I have to go back to school and like all this homework that I have to do. I don't know if that happens to you guys too, but like I break out when I go back to school because it stresses me out. But anyways, so that's what's up. I'm definitely gonna keep you guys in the loop. I'm probably gonna like pack a lunch and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and everything. But yeah, I have just been studying for the SAT because I'm getting ready to take it, but that's what I'm doing at the moment. It's not exactly fun, but gotta do what you gotta do. It's about 11:15 and I am going to do my makeup now. Sorry for this angle, but I have nowhere else to put my camera. I just recently did a makeup video and it's basically the same look that I'm doing today. So if you guys want to see the full look, I'll have that linked in the description bar down below. But I'm just gonna do this quickly, kind of speed it up. So I just finished my makeup. I did not do very much because I don't like setting the bar too high on the first day of school, because I honestly like don't wear makeup for like the rest of the school year. But I just did some foundation, brows, a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara, and that's it. Right now I'm gonna make some lunch to pack with me because I'm probably gonna get hungry at school, and then I think I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'll be leaving in like an hour, so I'm probably just gonna watch Netflix or something. I am making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I'm a 4-year-old. No! So at my school, we have a uniform policy, which sucks because I go to a public school. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna wear. I think I have an idea. Hopefully it looks good. I haven't even tried it on yet. I'm going to try to wear this black skirt, which technically I don't think I'm supposed to be wearing because it has these rips and like little thing right here, but that's okay. And with this white polo. So hopefully that looks good. I don't know. So this is the outfit. I think this shirt looks like a little weird with it because it's like kind of bunchy, but I think that's just because it's a polo. Like, how cute can you get with a polo? But yeah, so not too bad. So I kind of stopped vlogging for a while, but I just got home from school. I'm just like in my driveway. I didn't vlog while I was driving because I'm trying to be safe, but I only had 2 classes. I just had office aid and medical, which are both electives, and so it was a really easy day and I got to see a few of my friends. That is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and comment letting me know when you go back to school or if you went back already and like what grade you're in. With all of that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!